to be single is good, at other side is bad. That's why you saw other people, they don't want to be in rush to get married. They want to enjoy their money when he is a bachelor, because once you get married you don't enjoy your money. So it's better to start to enjoy your money. No one is demanding on you that he wants money, this and that, what, because once you get married to a woman will demand, guys, every time. And you know that your salary you always spending to your woman and your children. But when you start maybe enjoying your money, you are alone, no girlfriend, no wife, no what, you know that nowadays, guys, when you want a woman, you can pay to those women and do what you want and leave them. It's better to than to have a girlfriend. Guys, women, they will eat you, they will spend your money. So guys, men nowadays, that's why you saw they don't want to get married, and you always have depression every time, because you think that when you are a bachelor, no one was bothers you, stress free, or to ask you where are you coming from this time. But now you have got a woman. Now a woman can asking you every time, where are you coming from this time? Kids, I want 1 2 3 to school, what, and you are not used to do those things, because you used to stay alone as a bachelor, enjoying your money at end of the month.